Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and next take out the board frame with the wireless coil by undoing 8 screws, and also unplug the battery connector. Next, move to the bottom and take out the bracket by undoing 7 screws. Next, on the top left, disconnect and take out the front camera from the board. Next, disconnect the LCD connector and take out the headphone jack by unplugging the connector. Next, take out the logic board by undoing 2 screws. Be gentle and lift the board slowly. Next, on the rear side of the logic board, disconnect 2 camera connector plugs and then apply slight pressure from the front side of the camera to pull out the unit. Next, place the new camera unit and put it on the board by connecting 2 plugs. Next, place the logic board in the body and then secure the LCD connector. Next, place the headphone jack and front camera in the logic board by connecting plugs. If your front camera has broken, place the new front camera in the body. Next, secure the logic board by adding 3 screws. Next, place the bottom bracket by adding 7 screws. Next, add the SIM tray and secure the battery connector. Next, place the board frame with the wireless coil by adding 8 screws. Finally, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.